Channels of distribution. Children, there are many ways of distribution in the marketing process. And these channels of distribution can be grouped into two broad categories: direct channels and indirect channels. Under direct channels, the producers sell their goods directly to the consumers, and no middleman is present between the producers and the consumer. There can be two types of direct channel: through traveling salespersons and through retail shops or showrooms. Here, the producers employ salespersons to contact the potential buyers. You must have seen salesperson coming to your doorstep and persuading your mother to buy products from them. In this form of direct selling, the salesperson tells the customers about the special features of the product and how to use it. And the producers themselves may also set up retail shops or showrooms in different localities and sell goods directly to consumers. And you must have seen factory outlets or showrooms set up by companies like Bata Shoes, Maruti Automobiles, McDonald's, Raymond's, etc. Isn't it? And children, under indirect channels, the producers sell their goods to consumers through middlemen. There can be four types of indirect channels. First, retailers. Now, those who are engaged in retail trade are called retailers. The producers here supply goods directly to retailers who in turn sell them to consumers. So, no wholesaler is involved in it. Second is wholesalers. Now, the producers supply goods in bulk to the wholesalers who in turn directly sell these goods in small quantities to the ultimate consumers. So, no retailer is involved in it. And the next type is wholesalers and retailers. Under this channel, the producers supply goods in bulk to the wholesalers who sell goods in small quantities to the retailers. And then these retailers sell these goods to the consumers. And the last channel is involving agent, wholesalers, and the retailers. Here, the producers supply goods in bulk to the agent, and then this agent in turn sell these goods to the wholesalers, and the wholesalers then sell these goods to the retailers, and the retailers to the consumers. Children, I hope the topic is clear to you. That's all for this topic. Thank you.